Hello, dear professor. We are going to present our group presentation of Accounting 500. That's a group presentation. In this group presentation, we are a 5 group member: Komal, Hardik, Hitesh, Mittal, and Harish. We have developed a business plan named Spice on the Go Cafe, which mainly focuses on the providing food and beverages at a reasonable cost. The ownership of the business is in a partnership that has 5 partners having 20% equity each. The organization will get finance from a financial institution or from outside. The approximated time taken start the venture will depend on the market condition. They're taking a target of 2 months. Moving forward to Hardik.
Yes, there are a various alleged strategies to keep the organization at a fast pace, and the most company vision will help in accomplishing a milestone and achieving goals. An ample amount of time will be spent in the long term and short term studying the market conditions and determining the customer need. Next slide. CVP referred Excel file. Yes, in a coffee and beverages. In the coffee, sales price are 16.5, whereas the beverages is a 20.5. Also, the raw material is a 1.5 in a coffee, whereas a beverage is a 3.25. Overall contributions, coffee at 4.5%, whereas the beverage is 6.6%. Whereas in the initial cost, legal and other cost is a 54,000, whereas the initial cost is a 1,35,000. In the continue with the Hitesh.
So we can see here projected income statement. Refer to Excel file, please. Yes, these are income statement. Projected profit and loss account for the year. In this profit and loss, revenue logs. In this revenue logs, coffee and beverages. We can see here gross profit of the beverages and the coffee. So we can see here expenses as well. Total expenses here 65 lakhs 673. So we can see advertisement expenses, marketing expenses, staff salary expenses, rent expenses, capital cost. So all of the net profit is here, and we can see here sales data. Total sales data of the all of month and coffee and beverages. We can see here total of the coffee unit is 67,760 and beverages 43,366. Next slide, please. Yes, here is the balance sheet. Total assets, current assets. In the current assets, inventory, cash at bank, trade receivable, and fixed assets, equipment less capital cost. You can see here value, all of the value here, and liability, equity as well, trade payable, other payable, and a rent security. And the non-current liability, loan from owner A, loan from owner C, loan from owner B. Values here, owner equity, 12,000 each plus profit. We can see total of the assets and the equity. We can see here, this value is 13 lakhs 39,820. Next slide, please. Yeah, here the cash budget. whole of the cash budget. So we can see here all of the months cash budget, July to June. So we here balance, just a moment. Yeah. So we can see here all of the month show all of the month total of the budgets and equity. So we can see here all of the closing balance and expenses and equity, all of those. So we can see as well sales data, 25% increase in unit and item per month as compared to the July month. So you can see here as compared to July month. Yes. Total of the coffee units, the 67,760, and the total amount of the 11 lakhs 18,033. And beverages item here, and the amount of the beverage item here, cash sales. So collection of the from debaters as well here. There's a lot of value here. So we can see here total sale of the all of month and expansion data as well, see here. So all of the calculated value is here, capital cost as well. Next slide please, and continue with the other person.
Hello everyone, my name is Mittal Tushar Kumar Patel and I am going to start my presentation. The business model will be retailing and bulking buying to reduce the cost. There are major financial issues like the quality of the food that will gain the customer's interest and make him and her regular. Also, the company can achieve a break even in some times if it continue to focus on working on customer wants. Now you can see the financial position and income statement, the retailing of growth and profitability of the business. Thank you so much. Next team member Haris, take from there.
From this plan, it can be concluded that the expected return is $1,62,000 on the initial cost, but the company on $4,20,334. That means the business is profitable for the company. We have also highlighted some issue that can be arised in the business plan, such as a dependency, funding, quality of the food, etc. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.